Hey, so y'all, how are y'all doing? I'm doing really good. I'm inside because it's cold outside. But I decided to do a video on my chicken wings that I got left over because I ate some last night. And from the salad that I got today. So, Terrence made me a salad from his job and brought some chicken wings home. So these are the boxes from the chicken wings. And we're going to open it up. And now we got our salad. I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see that real good. This our salad is what it's looking like. Love a good salad. And over here is the chicken wings. I'm going to put it on 20. So these are the chicken wings. Now I'm going to zoom out. And now I got some ranch salad dressing that I like. And I got some honey mustard salad dressing that I like also. And we have the bacon and the tomatoes. So I'm going to take out the tomatoes and I'm going to take out the bacon, put the bacon back in the microwave, let that heat up a little bit. So we're going to let our bacon heat up in the microwave. Now we got a lot of bacon in here. Yeah, we do. We got a lot of bacon in here. I'm going to let that heat up. I think that's all the bacon we have. But anyway, so this is the bacon. I'm going to put the bacon on 10, 20. Y'all can see it, 40. Okay, this is the bacon. I'm going to zoom y'all out where y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, now I got my bag. I told y'all that I had some tomatoes in the side because I don't eat tomatoes. So I'm going to picking the tomatoes out. I got 2 in the bag, as you can see. So it's just me by myself. What is this little guy doing? And I'm just picking out the tomatoes. I just washed my hands. I didn't put that on camera, but I washed my hands. And if you use a fork, when you're trying to pick these out, you punch a hole in them. And I'm not trying to do that. I'm just picking out the tomatoes. I think that's all that I see for right now. I think it was on the 3 in here. Yeah, I think it's on the 3. Okay, there's normal tomatoes. And I like my croutons really soft. They are so good. Water soft. But anywho, we're going to put our lemon pepper sauce. This chicken tastes so good. Oh, I ain't even running chicken up. Girl, what you doing with your life? I ain't even running chicken up, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to pop y'all up right here. Y'all can see. Do y'all phone do this when you're trying to record and hit the bottom button to flip the camera? It doesn't flip. Let me turn y'all around. It's in the microwave. We're going to zoom in on the bacon. So we zooming in on the bacon. It's in the microwave. And I'm gonna put the microwave. Y'all can see that? I'm gonna hit time cook. And I'm gonna put the bacon on 20. Hit start. And we got the bacon. Y'all can see the bacon is cooking.